Granbury traffic, 312 Kilo Kilo is taking 14 for departure to the south. Granbury traffic.
Left down 140, 18, Bridgeport.
Traffic Skyhawk 5427 Julia on the upwind. Still going to stay in a left-hand pattern for 17. Bridgeport traffic, Skyhawk 37 Juliet on the crosswind for 17.
Bridgeport traffic, runway 11902 is left down 118, Bridgeport. Aircraft on final at Bridgeport, how far out are you?
Traffic, Skyhawk 5437 Juliet, entering the left downwind for 17.
Granbury traffic, Cherokee 4340, rates into the east, inbound 14, Granbury.
Hey, baby, can you hear us?
Aircraft on final for 18
Is it too loud, or?
How are you?
I think he got scared when we just kind of, you know, went up and down a little bit.
Take his mic and put his mic away from his mouth.
The Grumman downwind, I'll just extend it and look for you coming behind you.
Pop.
Bridgeport traffic, copy. Cessna 152 is on 3 mile final for 18, touch and go, Bridgeport.
Traffic, Skyhawk 5437 Juliet, turning base for 17.
All right, everybody, off we go. We're heading in the right direction. We're going to climb up and get out of this turbulence.
Bridgeport traffic, I'm passing on.
Down to Lajitas.
Got you inside.
We're going to see how good Gavin is at golfing.
Traffic, Skyhawk 5437 Juliet, on a final.
We're going to see how good you are at golfing. I can't really hear you. Turn it up.
And the stuff's really loud. That stuff is really loud.
I said, we're going to have to see how good you are at golf.
Field traffic, Cessna 910, left base, runway 18, Gainesville. Bridgeport traffic, runway 11902, left base, 18. Full stop,
hear?
Bridgeport.
Do you hear yourself?
Bridgeport
little
traffic,
bit.
Cessna 152, my phone's on short final. I got that traffic on the runway, you got plenty of time, Bridgeport.
That'll help you a whole lot. Check.
I can hear you, but you are not very loud like usual.
Okay. Check. Talk to me.
I hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
All right, so I was saying we're going to find out good of a
Bridgeport traffic, runway 11902 is final, 18, full stop, Bridgeport. Granbury traffic, Cherokee 4340, 5 to the east, run across midfield 2500, here to up another right down 24, Granbury.
Oh.
939 Tango.
Do you have,
final runway
do you have
18,
widths
full
on?
stop, Athens.
Do you have widths on?
No, she put the blue ones on him.
I'm asking her if she
Yeah,
has widths
yeah.
on.
I put widths on mine.
Can you hear me?
I hear you.
Too loud?
Oh. The people talking is super loud in his.
Alright, we'll turn it way down.
On the right control.
Bridgeport traffic, runway 11902, short final 18.
Turn it way down.
I know, I'm working on it.
Bridgeport traffic, and all departures on 4 mile final for 18. Bridgeport.
He's mad right now. He doesn't even want anything on here.
5437 Juliet, enter the downwind, left downwind, 17 forward. 654 extra 30.
Traffic, helicopter clear flight 3 about 6 miles to the northeast at 1,700 southwest bound for Granbury, planning over fly midfield, Moreland.
You're gonna probably have to take it out.
Cessna 73910, turning a left downwind, runway 18, Gainesville. Granbury traffic, JD 43408, just about over midfield, 2,500, Juliet, teardrop into the right, down 114, Granbury. Well, traffic Cessna 46370, departing on 17, and we'll be staying in the path for Moreland traffic.
Traffic, Skyhawk 5437 Juliet, turning base for 17.
Bridgeport traffic, Cessna 152 miles Fox, centered left downwind for 18, full stop taxi back to Greenwood. Granbury Unicom, aircraft inbound for Granbury, just be advised that our fuel pump is inoperative. We're not able to dispatch 100 low lead Granbury. Go 1 mile final, runway 18, full stop, Athens. Roger, thanks.
Moreland traffic, Skyhawk 5437 Juliet, turning final for 17.
Mom, where's my
Dave, did you break the fuel pump?
where's my headphones?
Well, I was the man on duty at the time that it went out of service, so
My headphones.
perhaps. 0 perhaps for runway 18. So,
Good thing we fueled up yesterday, Sue.
Granbury traffic, JD 408, right down
Huh?
14, Granbury.
Kidding.
Because,
Moreland traffic, helicopter clear flight 3 is 2 miles to the northeast of Moreland, going to overfly midfield, 2,200 southwest bound, Moreland.
Doesn't have his headphones on at the moment.
Moreland traffic, Cessna 370 is left crosswind for 17.
Every time I show it to him, he freaks out.
Bridgeport traffic, Cessna 152 Mike Fox, turn left base for runway 18, full stop, Bridgeport. Moreland traffic, JD 408, right base, 14, Moreland. Granbury, sorry, 408, Granbury, right base.
right.
And Bridgeport traffic, Cessna 152 Lane Fox, turning final for runway 18, full stop, taxi back, Bridgeport. Moreland traffic, Cessna 370 is left downwind for 17. Moreland traffic. Granbury traffic, JD 408, short final 14, touch and go, Granbury. Bridgeport traffic, runway 11902, departing the pattern to the southwest, Bridgeport.
Moreland traffic, Skyhawk 5437 Juliet, we're clear And we'll wait for everybody and then we'll back down.
When I put your headset on your noise canceling, I hit that button right there.
Cranberry traffic, 372
I kind of forgot about it.
taxiing to
I forget about mine all the time too, and I'll say everybody like, I can't hear very well, and then I'll remember, oh shit.
Cranberry traffic, Cherokee 408 on the go 14 for right close traffic, Cranberry.
Right, so Lajitas' airport identifier is T89, 400 miles away. We're going to go down at 8,500, and it's clear down there.
Traffic, Cessna 370 is left, base for 17. Kilos climbing on the left.
We're going to go check this place out.
Northeast, cancel.
Cranberry traffic, 372 Alpha Tango, departing 14.
Traffic, Hillgopper 127 Alpha Papa taking off runway 16 at Charlie from left close, simple. Cranberry traffic, Cherokee 408, right cross 114, Cranberry. Clear, the runway. Camber the traffic, Cessna 370 is final 17, well.
Where's my phone?
Got the extra batteries on the top thing there, Sue.
I got them.
Cranberry traffic, Cherokee 408, right down 114, Cranberry.
Cranberry traffic, 372 Alpha Tango, departing the area to the south. Cranberry.
Gainesville traffic.
Lajitas traffic, 312 kilos entering left downwind for 25, Lajitas. Lajitas traffic, 312 kilos crossing midfield, tender left downwind for 25, Lajitas. I'll see the wind. Looks like to me.
Found it.
Where is it?
It's over there. It looks like I think it's
Where is it, Vic?
over there, back behind. I think it's a crosswind.
Lajitas traffic, 312 kilo. We're going to turn across the end of 25 and enter a left downwind for 07, Lajitas. Said it's behind the buildings?
Oh, it's in front of them. Like it's between the two.
Wind is just all over the place. Now we've the hand wind. Lajitas traffic, 312 kilos on short final. Kilo Kilo is clear of the active Lajitas.
Open, please. Abby, can you open your window, please?
See, it looks like an old western town right here. Look, Jeff. Look what that looks like. Is that not cool? It does. I love these trees, John. They have these in Arizona, in Phoenix. Yeah, it's pretty. That's crazy. I had a headwind of like 12 knots for most of it. No, I popped up through broken layer. They went away by the time I was ready. See that little bird right there? The road runner. They're in Arizona. Look at this little street. This is cool. Really neat. Yeah. They have some restaurant right here. Don't drink the water. Baby, that's yuck. That's not good. You swung so hard,